Well, welcome to the new studio. Let's go inside. Now, I know I've been really bad at posting YouTube videos for the last week. Most of that is because I've been moving houses and moving into this studio. And moving into this studio means a lot of big things here on my channel. And let's just go over some of them. First is just the overall quality of videos. Now, previously, I'd been filming it where I lived, which is kind of changed regularly over the last year and a half. And that does affect the resources that I have to film and make videos for you guys in regards to both quality, quantity, and creativity. Now, a big part to YouTube making videos and just kind of making content regularly in general is having new ideas, having different perspectives, and ways to talk about a specific subject that bring value to my audience. And kind of up to this point, whenever I had wanted to make a video or I had an idea for a video, I was kind of fulfilling that idea 100% on my own. And while the studio I've moved into isn't exactly one where I have a bunch of assistants, I do have other people here that I can ask their opinion. I can ask them to be in my videos, which ultimately allows me to just make better content for you guys. And I didn't just move into any studio. I actually moved into a studio of another YouTuber here in Vietnam. You can check out his channel and I'll link to it up here. But his name is Alex D, and he is a Vietnamese YouTuber that makes videos about different ways to learn English for free or at very minimal to no cost using resources kind of like YouTube. And having a different perspective, at least in the studio, having someone that's also making videos creatively but of a different concept just gives me more and new creative ways to kind of get stuff done and kind of look at stuff. We also have a bunch of equipment here that I didn't have to use before. We have studio lights, we have a gimbal here, we have my lights and my lighting setup here, and ultimately I can just do more cool creative stuff and make the videos that you see on this channel better. One of the first changes is going to be a numbered review system for all of my headphone reviews. And I'll be linking to that video right here in the end of the show notes. I'll do a card for it when that video is finished, right up here. And I'm really excited about this new format for reviewing headphones for you guys, which will kind of give you a tangible way to see how much value you're getting out of that pair of headphones. And I've done this primarily so that it makes your purchasing decision easier. And on that subject, I've got a big announcement coming, and I will tell you guys that if you have been looking for a guide to purchase true wireless headphones, that is coming. Whoa! So as I was actually filming this, Alex himself came in, and this is the person that's been responsible for me starting my Vietnamese YouTube channel, and also, would you say convincing me to move into a new space? How do you say that?
In Vietnamese?
No, in English. This is for the English channel.
I persuaded you to get in here?
Yeah, just kind of persuaded me to get into a studio and to start taking videos.
And working on your own project?
Yeah, just being more creative and varying the things that I'm going to be doing on here. That's and right. Just, I don't know.
I think you're wasting your talent.
Yeah. Just making better content. This is the person to thank for all that. Link to his channel. And this is the end of the studio tour. Thanks. Bye.